everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, I am going to unbox a 20,000 peso mystery box that I got from Luxury Unlimited. So they are a sneaker slash hype reseller based here in the Philippines, and they offer different Hypebeast mystery boxes at different price points. This is their 20,000 box. We'll pop the box open, take a look at the stuff inside, and then see if it's worth buying or not. Tara, let's go. Before we get started with today's vlog, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Alam nyo na guys, Rose Gold and Black. To those who don't know, Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand based out of Australia. My favorite accessory that I buy from them always is their beaded bracelet. It's a great way to elevate your style, great way to enjoy your watches even more, either by framing them or accenting them by putting two bracelets before the actual watch. Make sure that you take care of the watch, so maybe put some tape just so it doesn't get scratched, especially if you're using an expensive watch. But yeah, you get the point. Now, the great news is they are doing their holiday sale. That's 25% off store-wide. If you use the code Carlo, you get an additional 10% off your order. So guys, don't miss out on this holiday sale. Click the link down below, use the code, and go gift yourself a nice item from Rose Gold and Black. Okay, so as you guys can see, it comes in this brown carton box with some sort of tape with their logo in the middle. So if you pop this box open, let's Mateo with the Chelly this box. Yeah, bam, we have another inner like wrapper. So let's take a quick look. I'll take a quick peek what's inside so I know how many items I will be unboxing. Wow, this is a lot. Woo, boom, panalo. This is really nice. So we have a bunch of stickers over here. We have, wow, panalo. This is sick. It's a Bape face mask. So we have a Bape face mask in the size F. I don't know what size F is. But yeah, Bape face mask. Let's take it out of the packaging so we just get an idea of what the style is. Oh, wow, it looks really nice. So it says Bape here at the front. It has, well, it's not really best for COVID because it has like a lot of perforations and a lot of holes. So if you wear this and you walk out and somebody with COVID like breathes on you, chances are you'll probably get the droplets. But yeah, it's a nice face mask with the Bape logo. Really dope, really nice looking mask. We'll put it inside, we'll put it back in the packaging. I'll check the prices later. But yeah, first item, we have a Bape face mask. Now, the next item that I will take from the box is the biggest item inside, which is Yeezy slides. So we have over here Yeezy Boost, or not Boost, Yeezy slides. This is the Yeezy suit in size 9. So this is size 9, won't fit me, but I'll probably sell it or give it away. Ooh, clue. O, diba? So slide says at the top of the carton box. If you slide this open, slide the slide open. So you have the actual Yeezy slide. So this is what it looks like. Some sort of like chocolate brown color or tae, whatever you but yeah, it's brown color, chocolate brown. Let's keep it at chocolate brown. So from my experience, I was actually able to try one of these. They're not as comfortable as the Adilette slides. I still feel that those are like the very best that you can buy. In fact, the Adilette kicked the butt of the Boost slides that you can also buy, but this is still nice. It's still kind of still kind of hype, right? So there you have it. The second item, I believe they sell this for around 8,000 to 9,000 pesos on their site. So we'll probably tally the total of the price of everything in the box in a while. By the way, before we continue, wristwatch check of the day is like a new segment where I show you guys what my watch is. This is the limited edition Bape G-Shocks. It's a really nice timepiece, has that woodland Bape camo vibe to it. I did an unboxing of this, I'll link it down below, and if you are interested in more watches, please do check out my watch vlog. It's a dedicated channel just for horology and timepieces. Post-it flags. So to those who like doing post-its to mark their notebooks and stuff like that, so this is a really nice, well, hype way to do it. Really nice bonus that's added to the package. So let's set this on the side. And the last item, and the ooh, oh wait, we have one more before the big item. So we have over here a parachute toy. I'm not sure if this is Supreme parachute toy, but it just says parachute toy. So I'll open it some other time. But yeah, parachute toy. And then the last item, wow, this is it. This is it. This is one of the most, well, one of the rarer Supreme gadgets that you guys can buy. This is the Supreme Mophie Power Station Go Wireless. And this can actually jumpstart your car. It's that crazy. Yes, it can jumpstart your car. I'm not kidding. This one also has wireless charging. It has a 65 watts 115V AC outlet. What? It also even has like a built-in flashlight. This is just absolutely sick. Now this one, just so you guys know, this one usually resells anywhere from like 15 to 16,000 pesos, sometimes even more. So this is definitely the most expensive item in the box. And if you quickly total that, with the vape face mask, with the post-it, with the Yeezy slides, we're well over maybe around 27, 28, 29,000 pesos in value. So not bad, really not bad. Paid 20,000, got 27, 28,000 pesos worth of hype stuff. This one's probably the very best that I'll actually use often. And hey, let's unbox it. Okay, so let's pop this part open so we can pull the inner compartment out. Really excited because it's been a while since I last bought the power bank, and fitting naman, no? This is a big power bank. I mean, come on. This looks like a Betamax tape from the 90s. And yeah, to those who are 90s kids, you guys can relate. But wow, this is big. This can also double as a self-defense weapon. So let's remove the plastic. Wow. This is a giant power bank. Apparently it's 44,000 mAh. It's written at the back. So this is like a wireless charging plate. Oh man, this is, so see, you can even like plug stuff in this. That's how insane this power bank is. This is the flashlight. Wow. Oh no, this is the flashlight. So there you go. Oh, grave. This is just crazy. So if you were wondering what almost 20,000 peso power bank looks like, this is it. You remember the part where I mentioned that you can use this to jumpstart your car? Well, apparently it even comes with the jumper cables. So it's one over here in red, the other one is in black, and this is the one that you connect to it. Oh, and it also has a nice Supreme carrying pouch for the power bank. So you have Supreme logo, and then you have the Mophie logo on the other side. So this is a really nice addition. You have all the other cables and accessories inside the box. So do you guys like the Supreme Mophie Power Station? If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like and let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Shout out again to Luxury Unlimited for that great mystery box. Maraming salamat. Appreciate it. Guys, check them out. A link down below to their Instagram account. Before we wrap up the vlog, I have one more item that I want to share with you. If you are looking for a great Christmas gift na pahabol, this is the Crazy Cap, which is a high-tech water bottle that also has UV cleaning and sanitizing so that the water that you drink is always pristine and clear and healthy. So again, Crazy Cap 2, it can take up to 500 ml of water, and if you guys take a look at the graphics, the cap actually has a UV cleaner. That's just sick. I mean, so it has this wooden like look to it. Wow. Ooh, wait. Okay. Wow. Okay, shout out to Nelson Canlas for sending this over. They put my initials on the bottle. That is so dope. So it says CSO. This will officially be my favorite water bottle, period, just because it has my initials. So here we go. Oh wow, it has a charger. Because of the UV thing, because this is like a UV light, you actually use this cap to charge the cap so that it cleans your water and you can clean whatever it is that you want to clean. That is just, that's crazy. If you guys want to buy one, I will link down below to their Instagram account. Shout out again, Nelson Canlas, bro. Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas. Okay, that wraps up our mystery box unboxing. Let me know what is your favorite item. Would love to hear from you. And again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for the vlog on December 25. We'll be doing a massive giveaway. With that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.